Discover the essence of Islamic teachings on family dynamics, with the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning's course, Islamic Directives about core family issues. Delve into timeless principles rooted in the guidance of Quran and Sunnah, unraveling the rights, obligations, and etiquettes that form the bedrock of harmonious familial relations. Explore revered concepts such as parental sanctity, compassionate treatment of widows and orphans, and ethical considerations around practices like polygamy and slavery eradication. Gain clarity on the requisites, rights, and responsibilities of spouses within the sacred covenant of marriage, and understand its spiritual significance in fostering mutual respect, love, and companionship within the family unit. Through a blend of scholarly discourse and practical insights, empower yourself with the knowledge and understanding necessary to nurture thriving families that serve as beacons of light within communities. Join us in embracing the wisdom while navigating modern family dynamics with grace and confidence.